So going back to the project definition, here in the Use Resources tab, I can simply specify, okay, I want to use say treatment and test from this model. Okay, so I have here the list of all models which are available on my local models hub. Okay, I save the configuration, yes. I see here that I also still have in my taxonomy the default entities, right, from NER on to 100. I'm just gonna remove those and keep just the treatment and the test. I'm saving my configuration and then move next to the rules tab. Here I have one rule. I'm gonna add it to my taxonomy. It will appear here. Save my configuration. And for the prompts, I have two prompts, right, which are both external. This one is using Azure OpenAI integration, and this one is using GPT regular OpenAI integration. Now, if I select those two prompts, I get a notification that this will associate my integration with this project, okay? And I click OK. I do the same for this one, okay?